Imagine turning a simple text into a full video, an image, or even a voice, all for free. Yes, for free. No watermarks, no copyright issues, nothing holding you back. The clips you see on my screen right now were all generated with one AI tool.
Hot soup, hot stew. Come and taste before it finishes.
Welcome to Content Vibes. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you.
And today I'm going to show you how to use it step by step, from downloading to setting it up and to creating your own content. So if you're ready to start creating videos, images, and voiceovers without spending a dime, stick with me to the end of this video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To begin, the first thing you want to do is to download the app. So you head on to Google Play Store and download Grok AI by typing Grok AI on the search bar. Once you've done that, click on install and install the app. As you can see, I already have the app on my phone, so I'll click on open. So once the app opens, you will see two features above the app, the axe and the imagine. Click on the imagine. This is where you type in exactly what you want to generate. So here is what I wanted to generate for me. A young African woman who sells a delicious, well-cooked food in a market area. Click on send and allow Grok AI to generate your images for you. So we are waiting. Yeah. And voila, we have our images here. Can you see that? And another thing I discovered about this app is that it gives you a consistent character. If you take a look at these characters, you discover that they look alike. So if you have an African folktale channel, this is a game changer because it makes all your AI generated images to look alike. This is so beautiful. And then it's time for you to select the particular image that you want. I think I found the one that I prefer and I'm going for this one. I click on the image and it brings me here. Next is to animate your video by clicking on make video. Then wait for your video to be generated. Once it's 100% generated, you get your animated image. Can you now spot the difference? Our animated picture can now stir the pot of food, can now do a whole lot of things. Now let's lip sync. To lip sync your video, click here and you get a list of options. Select speech and type what you want your video to say. For me, this is what I want my image to say. Click send and wait for your video to lip sync. Watch the percentage here. Once it's 100%, then your video is done. Our video is ready. Here is the outcome.
Hot soup, hot stew. Come and taste before it finishes.
Next, it's time to download your video, and you can do this by hitting the download button here. And your video is saved to your gallery. Yes. Another way you can use Grok AI to animate your images is to import your own image. You can import your pictures or you can import any other picture you generated with any other AI tool. This is the picture that I generated with ChatGPT. And if you want to know the prompt that I used to generate this AI realistic image, type prompts in the comment section and I'll drop the prompt, okay? So repeat the process by clicking make video for your image to be animated. Here is the results. Grok AI is just so good. To lip sync, follow the same step by clicking on the arrow button, then select speech, put in your prompt, and hit send. My prompt is welcome to Content Vibes. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to the channel. I love you. Click on the arrow and wait for your video to lip sync.
Welcome to Content Vibes. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you.
So this is very easy to do, and an amazing thing about this app is that it is totally free. Okay, so as of the time this video is being published, this Grok AI is free. So make use of it, generate your images, generate your videos, and feel confident creating your content. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give this video a like, share, and drop a comment in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.